Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clinton with Lighty Contractors. Today I'm going to talk to you about installing square carpet tiles using some carpet tape. For this job you're going to need a couple things. You will need a razor blade, a pair of scissors, and some carpet tape. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and clean the area where you're applying the carpet. Make sure all dust and debris is out of there. That way the tape has something to heat against. So what we're going to do is take our tile squares, take the tape, and apply the tape to the back of the tile. Then take our scissors and cut it. You want to make sure that you're staying away from the edge just a little bit. That way you don't have tape seeping out the sides. Then we'll do the other way. After you have all of it taped off, you'll go through and peel the film off of the tape. So after that, we're going to take our piece of carpet that has tape on it and set it into place. Then we'll go around to where the tape is and firmly press it, so that way it gets a nice good stick to the ground. And then you move on to the next piece. Now remember, when putting in square tile carpet, you want to make sure that you put a straight line and follow that line and cut along the outsides as needed. I'm Joshua Clinton with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to install square tile carpet using some carpet tape. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.